This really hard to find and allocated bourbon has evaded me at every single bourbon drop. Till now, let's review Elmer T Lee. Hello everyone, welcome back to Brad's Bourbon Reviews. I'm Brad, and today I am so excited to finally get my hands on Elmer T Lee. Now, before we get into this, I want everyone watching this who's about to click away because they think I'm just being a dork about Buffalo Trace. First off, that is true. I love Buffalo Trace products very much. Secondly, I'm not expecting the world out of this. I think that this is one of those bottles that has gotten so overblown and so overhyped that I think people are disappointed because I have seen this bottle go for $600. It's a 90 proof Buffalo Trace product. It's probably going to be kind of similar to Blanton's. They're both single barrel. I am excited to try this just because I got to know what this tastes like. I remember this being on the shelves. I remember seeing Elmer back there and thinking that from a distance it looked like Paul Bear Bryant. I'm a big Alabama fan. But I'm excited to get into this. So I'm done talking. I'm ready to get this bad boy open. By the way, got this through the ABC Vault program here in Florida. If you live in Florida, you know what I'm talking about. It was $48 after tax. Fresh crack. There we go. Let's give it a nosing and see how we feel. Ooh, it's a little sweeter on the nose than Blanton's is. I'm getting a powdered sugared note on this. It smells really nice. It smells warm. It smells inviting. There's some oak on there for sure. But it's way sweeter than what I was expecting. Almost like a grape graham cracker kind of. Smells really solid. I'm gonna let it sit for a second. Yeah, I'm getting some honey notes on it too. Like it's different enough from Blanton's. If you had them side by side, you could probably tell the difference. This one's a little sweeter on the nose. I get more like honey from Blanton's. This is almost like literally like powdered sugar. All right, enough talking about the nose here. Let's give it a mouthing and see how we feel. That's really good. That's really, really good. I don't think you should pay $600 good, but I think for a $40 bourbon, 45 bucks, 50 bucks, I would say maybe even up to 100 if you really, really, really want it on your shelf, that it's good. I get a lot of orange on the palate. A lot of orange. Orange like zest, like when you zest orange peel over like an old fashioned, that kind of orange. Going back to the nose a little bit, that graham cracker notes are really coming through. Yeah, I'm really happy with this. I like it a lot. Again, don't spend $600 on this bottle if you're going to drink it. If it's going to sit on a shelf and you want it to look nice, almost like a decoration, if that's how you want to spend $600, go for it. I think this is really solid, though. I'm pretty impressed. Now, these are single barrels, so they're going to vary, in some cases pretty dramatically. So if you've had one that wasn't great, it's a single barrel. But that was good. That's actually better than I thought it was going to be. I'm pretty impressed with that. I like it a lot. There's a little bit of a sourness to it too. You get that like sour? There's like a little bit of like sourness to it. I'm a big fan of that. I don't think it's something that I'm going to like reach for a lot because it's going to be hard to get another one. But if this was like readily available, this would be like an everyday drinker. I think it's approachable. There's nothing nothing that really puts you off about it. It's kind of like on the upside of average, and I mean that in a positive way because I really like it. So comment down below. Have you ever had Elmer T Lee? Do you own a bottle? Is this something you're looking for? I'd love to hear if you overpaid for it. How much did you pay for it? That would be hilarious to hear. But let me know what you guys think down below. While you're down there, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Until then, cheers.